As a financial advisor, I can't help but think, will artificial intelligence eventually replace me? I mean, I'm a huge fan of AI. I use it every day. But am I literally training the thing that will take my job? Today, we're talking more about AI, robo-advisors, and whether you still need a human financial advisor at all. If you're passionate about building wealth for your family, for generations, you're going to want to stick around until the end because I'll share where I think the real sweet spot is in this modern financial landscape. First, let's talk about what AI has already done in finance. You've probably heard of robo-advisors. These are online platforms that use algorithms to create and manage your investment portfolio automatically. Some of the biggest names are Betterment, Wealthfront, and Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. And they're not just managing a few dollars here and there. As of this year, robo-advisors manage over $1 trillion globally, and that number is only expected to keep climbing. So why are investors flocking to robo-advisors? Well, there's really three main reasons. First, low cost. Most charge way less than a traditional advisor. Second, the automation, the convenience. They keep your portfolio balanced and invested without you having to even lift a finger. And third, access. Anyone can get started with just even a few $100, if not less, instead of needing a six-figure account. And AI is also moving beyond basic robo-advisors. Advanced platforms are now using machine learning to analyze market trends, screen thousands of stocks in seconds, and even run portfolio stress tests based on different economic scenarios. This technology is making sophisticated investment tools available to everyday investors. Tools that used to be reserved for the largest institutions with entire research and investment teams. But with all of this advancement, there are serious limitations and risks that need to be considered. Let's start with the obvious. These algorithms are only as good as the data they're fed. They can miss nuance in your financial life. They don't know that you want to buy a vacation home in 3 years, pay for private school for your kids, or retire early and surf the beaches of San Diego. One of the most underrated parts of financial advising is the human connection. Money decisions aren't just math problems, they're also emotional. And a large part of my job is helping clients stay calm and focused and make wise choices when fear or excitement kicks in. A robo-advisor might be able to automatically rebalance your portfolio, but it can't look you in the eye and understand what you're feeling and help you stick to your plan when circumstances change. And then there's risk. AI models rely heavily on historical data, which means they're great at predicting what has happened, but not always what's about to happen or what could happen, especially when the market does something completely unexpected. And what if something goes wrong? Well, there's no one to call. There's no one to explain what happened and no one to help you adjust course. You're left hoping the algorithm figures it out on its own. So here's where I land on this. And yes, maybe I'm a little biased because, well, I'm a human and I love my job. The best approach for today is partnering with a human advisor that is tech savvy and uses the latest AI to create your plan and manage your portfolio. In this case, the AI crunches the numbers, runs simulations, backtests portfolios, and can even alert me when new trends are forming in the market. With that powerful tool in place, that frees me up to do what I do best. Sit down with you, understand your goals, and create a custom plan that fits your life. This is why at Wismar we are leaning into AI, not avoiding it. We use the latest tools to manage investments efficiently, but combine that with real human planning and coaching so you stay on track. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself trusting an algorithm with your financial future? Or do you still want a human in the mix? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your take on all of this. If you got value out of today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos and help this channel grow and reach more people with this important information. And check the links in the description to connect with me and Wismar on social. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.